folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the T28 Carbon Z Trojan. And going to have some fun with it, give you an idea just how big this plane is. She is a beast. So let's get her up and have some fun with her. Alright. Pick up the handy dandy transmitter. And let's get this big old baby. You know, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to fit her through the gate here. Well, no, I'm going to have to take her through at an angle. Hold on, folks. Didn't quite plan this out. All right. All right. Oh, boy. Come on, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Motor's on. I've already did my CG. Already know how she is. All right, let's take her down here to the other end of the field. I'm running a Spectrum Smart LiPo in her. 5,000 milliamp 6S. All right, let's take her down here. Let's go down to the range test here. Hit the power. All right, I got movement, so we can bring her back. You know, she is the biggest of all my models, but probably one of the easiest, at least in the top 3 of easy to fly models. All right, let me make sure my hat's good and secure. Get her turned around here. All right. Wind is about 5 miles an hour out of the south, which is at my back, kinda. So honestly, it doesn't really matter which way I take off.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps. Flaps up. Gear up. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Man, what a beautiful bird that is.
Landing flaps.
And bring her by slow.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear down.
All right. Is that not beautiful? Give ourselves a nice organized coordinated turn here, best that we can. And there you go, folks. That is the Carbon Z T28. That was a wonderful flight. Let's see if we're going to try taking off again. We're going to do takeoff flaps this time. I got that one gear wanting to hang up again.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Well, you just drive this playing around. All right. She'll slow right down for you. And there you go, folks. Wonderful flight of the T28 Carbon Z Trojan. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed it. That's this Fat Guy Flies RC at Avon Park. Please don't forget, like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.